For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me when I first laid eyes on the Celestron PowerSeeker 70EQ. It's a refractor telescope that seems to promise so much more than its modest price tag, \n. As an amateur astronomer myself, I know how frustrating it can be to try and find the perfect balance between budget and performance. But there's something about this particular scope that caught my attention, and I had to share my findings with you all, \n. But don't get me wrong, this isn't just another glorified toy for kids or a fancy decoration for your living room. No, the Celestron PowerSeeker 70EQ is a serious piece of kit designed for those who want to take their stargazing experience to the next level, \n. Therefore, I'm excited to dive in and explore what makes this telescope tick, from its impressive focal length to its ease of assembly and use. So if you're ready to join me on this journey into the world of astronomy, let's get started, \n. Deep dive 1300 words. First off, let's talk about the specs. The Celestron PowerSeeker 70EQ boasts an impressive focal length of 700, which is perfect for observing the moon, planets, and even some deep space objects like star clusters and nebulae, \n. But what really sets this telescope apart is its equatorial mount, which allows you to track celestial objects with incredible precision. This means you can spend hours gazing up at the stars without having to worry about repositioning your scope every few minutes, \n. However, I was a bit skeptical about the assembly process, especially considering the price point. But I'm happy to report that it's surprisingly easy and straightforward, even for those with limited experience, \n. Therefore, if you're new to astronomy or just looking for an upgrade from your current setup, this telescope is definitely worth considering, \n. One of the standout features of the Celestron PowerSeeker 70EQ is its ability to handle a range of eyepieces and accessories. This means you can customize your viewing experience to suit your preferences, whether that's for planetary observation or deep space exploration, \n. But what about image quality? In my opinion, this telescope delivers on all fronts, providing crisp and clear images with minimal distortion. Whether you're observing the moon's craters or trying to spot distant galaxies, this scope won't let you down, \n. However, I did notice that the finder scope could be a bit more precise, but overall, it's a minor quibble in an otherwise exceptional product, \n. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what about the warranty and customer support? Well, I'm happy to report that Celestron offers a comprehensive warranty program that covers your telescope for up to 2 years. And with their dedicated customer support team, you'll never be left in the dark if something goes wrong, \n. Therefore, when it comes down to it, the Celestron PowerSeeker 70EQ is an incredible value proposition, offering exceptional performance at a price that's hard to beat, \n. Resolution. So there you have it, my honest review of the Celestron PowerSeeker 70EQ. In conclusion, if you're serious about taking your astronomy hobby to new heights, this telescope is definitely worth considering, \n. But don't just take my word for it, read on to see what other customers are saying about their experience with this product, \n. For the best price and to order yours today, click the link in the description.